Hey, I know we all want to look our best. This is Angela, and today's show is called Stretch Marks Treatment NYC From Scarred to Flawless Skin. And trust me, it's juicier than a ripe pineapple. You know that moment when you're looking in the mirror and those stubborn stretch marks are staring right back at you? I get it. We've all been there, thinking these little lines are just part of life we have to accept. But what if I told you they don't have to be? And let's get any. Let's get real about stretch marks for a minute. Those over-the-counter creams you've been religiously applying? They're like trying to fix a deep scratch in your car with nail polish. It might look better for a minute, but we all know that's not solving the real problem. These creams barely penetrate the surface layer of your skin, while stretch marks live way deeper. No wonder so many people throw in the towel after a few weeks. But here's where it gets exciting, and I mean really exciting. The technology we have now, it's like we're living in the beauty treatment version of Star Trek. At our NYC clinic, we're using cutting-edge laser treatments that actually get down to where those stretch marks live. We're talking about technology that makes those old-school treatments look like they belong in a museum. You know what's even better? We're not just zapping your skin with lasers and calling it a day. We're combining different approaches. Think of it like a stretch mark treatment cocktail, but way more sophisticated. At Precision Aesthetics, we've perfected this combination therapy approach, and the results? They're nothing short of amazing. Now, I know what you're thinking. Angela, this sounds great, but what's it really like? Let me break it down for you. First off, the pain level? About as uncomfortable as getting your eyebrows waxed. Most of my patients scroll through TikTok during treatment. That's how manageable it is. You'll typically need 3 to 6 sessions, spaced about a month apart, and you'll start seeing results around week 4. Let me tell you about Jennifer, and this story still gives me goosebumps. She came to us after having twins, with stretch marks that made her avoid wearing anything shorter than knee length. She'd tried every cream, oil, and home remedy under the sun for 3 years. After just 6 weeks of treatment with us, her stretch marks faded by 70%. The best part? She wore a bikini for the first time in 4 years this summer. That's the kind of transformation that makes me love what I do. Here's the deal. If you're ready to say goodbye to those stretch marks, don't wait another day. Call us at 22-799-1411 and mention you heard about us on the podcast. We'll give you 15% off your first session, plus a free consultation to create your personalized treatment plan. Trust me, your future self will thank you. This has been Angela on behalf of PrecisionAestheticsMD.com. Until next time, have a wonderful day, and remember, if you find yourself with unwanted wrinkles, let's see what we can do to help. Later.